Hi there! In this video, I'll show you our approach on how to create expert LinkedIn content fast so you can build trust, stay visible, and look like a pro in your industry without spending hours doing it. First of all, I'd like to start with one of the most powerful things Seth Godin ever said. People do not buy goods and services, they buy relationships, stories, and magic. Why actually content on LinkedIn is non negotiable in 2025? Because, first of all, if there is no content, there is no trust. Even if you're running ads or doing cold outreach, people will still go to your profile, and if they find nothing, you're invisible. The truth is that you can build trust and credibility through consistent value driven content. Another important idea that people buy from people. Your profile and posts are your first impression, and if there is no good content, there is no credibility. We all know that in 2025, LinkedIn is the best platform for reaching B2B buyers. And if you're selling services and not posting, you're just leaving money on the table. Another truth, content speed ups sales because when people see that you know what you're talking about, they trust you faster. And your content helps sell before you even talk to the client. So, as a conclusion here, consistency equals to visibility. One post won't make you a thought leader, but showing up consistently will. Okay, let me walk you through the process we follow step by step, and let me open our content factory and show you exactly how it works. Step number one is profile setup. This is your entry point into the content engine. Before we launch your content system, we start with a relaxed, no pressure call to learn more about you, about your business, your goals, your voice, your ideas, and your leadership perspective to be sure that we catch all the needed information about you. And instead of asking you to fill out the boring form, we handle it for you. Then, to keep your content relevant and aligned with your ideas, we schedule two short interviews per month. So you just show up, share your thoughts, updates, opinions, and then we turn them into high quality content. Once the brief is ready, you can check it out and see all the important information about your product, about pains it solves, about what makes it different from your competitors, and all other important information. You also can choose social media platforms that you are going to use for your content. It could be LinkedIn, Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram. The system also allows you to use your preferred tone of voice, whether it's your natural style or the communication style of any influencer you like. You choose the voice and we make sure it sounds just right. So once all the information is added to the brief, the system analyzes everything and builds your personalized content strategy. What's inside? Here we have key stages in your content funnel, your ideal audience and who you are talking to, core content pillars that position you as the expert and actually get information about what to post, when, and how. And you can consider this strategy as your actionable content roadmap. When it comes to content ideas, we usually recommend sticking to four main content pillars. But of course, the system is flexible and we can always tailor it to meet your specific content goals. But in general, for our clients, we use these four main content pillars. It's leadership thought, it's content about your product, it's your personal thoughts, ideas, and opinions, and is industry news. Okay, once all the settings are ready, let's move further and go to content plan. Here is content plan that is built based on your data, and you can see all the topics here, see suggested post and dates. And now I'm going to click on any topic and show you what is inside. Here we have quick insight of the topic itself, current site, status, suggested publication date, profile name to which profile this topic belongs to, and ideation input. I want to say a few words about ideation input. Speaking about ideation input and content enrichment, by default, the system uses Profigent as a source. It means that the system will pull all the relevant trends, articles, and case studies to fulfill this topic and write the post in your tone and strategy. But you have other options as well. For example, if you know this topic in details and you want to share your personal approach, ideas, challenges, thoughts, and so on, you can simply dictate them by using this audio input. In this case, there will be dictate a post button. I'm going to click this button. And here you can record a voice note by clicking this record button. So here you can say everything you want. You may use words like, oh, I changed my mind, let's start again, and so on. It's not a problem because the system will clean everything. And once you finished, you click done button, save, and this voice input will be added to your post to enrich this topic. And of course, if you want to add your text input here, you can select text input option and there will be field where you can add your ideas manually. And of course, if you want to add your own ideas, you can simply click this Add Content button. And here you can specify your topic, your current site, and ideation input. And again, we have different options here in Profigent.ai. It means that the system will enrich this topic for you automatically. You can also dictate this post, and you can also add text input. Okay, once everything is ready, I'm going to approve several topics for generation by clicking approve button. Let's say this one, and this one. And I'm going to click generate button. Once I clicked generate button, the system will now create full posts for every approved topic. I'm going to content for review tab. Once generation is complete, you can check all the details before posting. You can see the image that was generated for this post. You can also see that this post was generated for LinkedIn, for Facebook, for Reddit, so basically for all the platforms that was selected by you during the brief. And if you are happy with this post, you can choose ready for posting status, and this post will be waiting to be posted in this queue. Also, the system supports performance tracking. I'm going to show you how it works. Here on the Content Performance tab, we have all the posts that were published, and you also can see here how many comments and likes we have per each post. So you can track which topics and formats work best. That's pretty much that I wanted to share with you in this video. And as you can see, you don't need to be a full-time content creator to build trust, grow visibility, and show up as a true expert in your space. You just need the right system built around your voice, your product, and your strategy. And that's exactly what Content Factory does. Book a quick demo. We'll be happy to walk you through the platform, show real use cases, and help you turn your ideas into content that actually drives results. And thank you for watching this video.